What would you do if you forgot the oil on the stove and a fire started? Would you just pour it into water? Well, this is what would happen. The oil splashes everywhere and causes a huge fire, which can kill you. This is my blood. Did you know that blood is able to break hydrogen peroxide and create foam? But what is it in the blood that is able to break it? Let me know in the comments. You guys don't want to touch this. Trust me. This container has sodium in it. The sodium is kept in oil because it can react with the water in the air. It's also pretty soft, so let's cut a piece of it. In a beaker, let's put water and phenolphthalein, a pH indicator. Sodium reacts with water, creates hydrogen and sodium hydroxide, and explodes. This candy is about to get wrecked. Potassium chlorate is a super strong oxidizer, and when we melt it, it's able to oxidize and burn almost anything organic. Follow me to see more experiments. 2, 1. Potassium iodide and hydrogen peroxide create oxygen, which eventually makes the bottle explode. And guys, I promise you, it literally sounded like a bomb. Infusing water with carbon dioxide creates an acid and the pH goes down, and this makes the color disappear. Should you guys wash your face or not? Let's see how much bacteria is on my face before and after washing it. And trust me, the results will surprise you. So when you wash your face, the soap helps remove and kill bacteria. Bacteria on your face may cause some skin problems, especially acne. After 72 hours, the clean petri dish stayed clean. But look what happened after 5 days. The clean petri dish still had less bacteria, but apparently I don't know how to wash my face. This is how you can do this at home. Take butane, which is a gas we use in lighters, and put it in a bottle with water. Also, it might not work the first time, so you'll have to try it again. Now just flip it. Butane evaporates at the bottom of the bottle and shoots the water out. Here we have sodium hydroxide and potassium iodide. To that we'll add phenolphthalein. And now hydrochloric acid. Phenolphthalein becomes pink when the pH is basic, and it loses its color when we add an acid. Now let's add lead nitrate. Lead iodide is yellow and carcinogen. If you see this on your For You page, please let me know and follow me for more. Let's make the best flame you've ever seen. We'll use copper sulfate, hydrochloric acid, and aluminum foil. The aluminum reacts with the acid to create hydrogen gas, which is explosive. And cations of copper change the flame color to blue. Follow me for more. What's the difference between this and this? I'll give you a hint, one of them is used for explosives. This is just regular cotton. Let's see how it burns. And now you have to see the other one. And this is called gun cotton. To make it, we put cotton in a mixture of sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Follow me to see more experiments. This is one of the most dangerous metals in the world. Sodium. Sodium is super soft and you can cut it with a knife, and it's kept in oil to prevent it from reacting with the water in the air. Now let's drop it into its worst enemy, water. It reacts with water to create hydrogen gas and explodes. If you see this on your For You page, please let me know and follow me for more. Should you clean your phone or not? To find out, let's see how much bacteria is on it. And I don't think you expect the results you're about to see. I'll swab my phone before and after cleaning it with alcohol. Streaking the petri dish and seeing what grows on it will show us which and how much bacteria was on the phone. Having bacteria on your phone might cause some skin problems, especially acne on your face. And after 5 days, the right petri dish was as full as it could get. And all of this was on my phone. Let me know what you guys want me to check next, and follow me to see more videos. So I have a really important question to ask you guys. Should you shower or not? Honestly, I was shocked by the results. I'll use a Q-tip to swab my scalp before and after showering. If we see any bacteria or fungus growing on the petri dish, it means it was on our scalp, and that can cause some problems. The main one is dandruff. So we can clearly see fungus and bacteria on the before shower petri dish. And based on the results, let me know if you should shower or not. And follow me for more.